Hey guys, Luis Bueno here, Simply Health Insurance Agency in partnership with 360 Insurance Group. First, thank you so much for partnering with us on your ACA business. Guys, it's going to be fun, it's going to be profitable, and you guys are going to make a lot of money. But we've got to get through the hard part first, and that is contracting. So it is not easy, it's a little hard, but what I'm going to do is I'm going to try to make it as easy as I can for you. I'm going to be making a bunch of videos that's going to explain everything that you need to do. All right, so let's get right into it. Step number one, guys, you're going to have to fill out a form, an agent profile form. This is so that 360 Insurance Group knows who you are. All right, so you're going to have to get that complete and sign and then submit. That is going to take you to step two. In step two, this is where you're going to request your ACA contracting. You're going to create an account on SureLC. So you'll get a link, you'll click on that link, you'll start your register for a new account. Guys, this is super important. We have agents use other SureLC accounts that they may have for possibly life insurance or some other products. You must use the one that we give you, and you must click on new registration and create a new one. Otherwise, you will not be affiliated with us. You will not be part of our organization, and you will not have access to me, my training, and my support. So make sure that you're using what we give you and you create a new account. Now, once you're in SureLC, what you're going to do is you're going to enter your information. If you have another one that's created, a lot of it will populate in there. And then what you will do is you'll request contracts for the carriers that you want and in the states that you're licensed to sell. Okay, very easy. You will complete all of that. Now, I will tell you, that is about 50% of the job. The other 50% is you're going to wait for the carriers to send you an email, and it usually happens within a few days. You must respond to these emails timely. You're going to go in there and you're going to complete the rest of your contracting with all of these carriers. If you don't do that, you're not going to be able to get your contracting done. Okay. Now, once you complete that portion, then you will get a welcome to the carrier letter. Okay. You must get that. Okay. That is, and then you'll create your account, your agent broker account with that carrier. And then you're pretty much ready to go with that carrier. You will now be appointed with that carrier. All right. So that is step two. All right. It's getting your ACA contracting. All right. Now, it's also vital that you get certified. Some of these states that you are going to do ACA, some of them belong to the federal marketplace. They use one certification, but you do have 13 states that have their own state-based exchanges where you're going to have to do their certification and use their tools to enroll. All right. States like California and Colorado, Oregon. So there's a few states where you're going to have to do that. All right. So certification is huge. You will not get paid if you're not contracted with that carrier and you're not certified to sell ACA. All right. Now, we're at step three. Step three is getting contracted to sell the ancillaries. So there's going to be a couple of ancillaries that I'm going to get you set up with. One of them is going to be Emeritus. This is the dental and vision plan that I prefer to use. I use their product extensively with my book of business, and I recommend it for you guys. It's a pretty solid product. It's got a great network of doctors. It's priced very accordingly to all the other carriers. It's competitive, and the benefits are pretty good. So I'm going to have down below, when you get to section 3 for the ancillaries, I'm going to have for you an app that you're going to download. It is important that you print this app out and you fill it out entirely and you send it back to me along with your E&O, your declarations page or your certificate, and a copy of a voided check for direct deposit of your commissions. You send that to me, I'll forward it to Emeritus, and we'll get you set up with that. The third ancillary that I recommend with ACA is an indemnity plan. There are many out there. I prefer to use Allstate. What I will do is I will gather your data and I will enter you into the Allstate appointment site, and they will send you an email directly so that you can get appointed with that carrier. Now, you're probably wondering, I don't know anything about dental and vision. I don't know anything about these indemnity products with Allstate. Don't worry, guys. Let's get contracting done. Let's get your certification done. And then what we're going to do at that point, when you get towards the end of contracting, that I'm going to add you to my school platform. It is important that we get you added there, because in that site is where you're going to get all of my training. I've got recorded Zooms from the past. I have a bunch of resources in there. I have my ACA Smartbook in there. I have all the tools that you're going to need for ACA. And I will also have the links for my Zoom trainings for ACA, which are 8:30 a.m. Central every Wednesday. Okay, I have a 5-week course that I will put you through. Now, I'm also going to give you the option to purchase my ACA 101 course. You don't have to, but a lot of agents don't want to go through a Zoom training environment, nor do they want to wait 5 weeks. Okay, so if you want my on-demand course, I'm going to have down below the link for this ACA 101 course. It's discounted heavily. Okay, it's 75% off what I normally sell it for. So just go there and you can buy it. It's on demand, and you can watch my entire ACA 101 course when you please. All right. Now, once you get all that complete, guys, we're pretty much done. Okay, we're going to get you trained. We're going to get you ready to sell. I'm going to teach you everything that you need to know about ACA, but it is important that you follow those steps. And it is also very important that you read everything that you're getting in reference to contracting. There's always a few little details that are missed. There's emails that are not followed up upon, and therefore you're going to end up missing some contracts that you need. And it just creates a bad experience for everybody. So please pay attention to the information that you're getting. So again, I want to thank you guys. I appreciate you putting a lot of trust in me. I take it very serious. I'm going to help you guys make a lot of money. ACA has literally changed my life financially. It's put me in a category where I'm completely debt-free, and now I am building wealth. And now, with what I have done, I'm going to be sharing everything that I've done with you guys. So I welcome you to our organization. Let's get contracting out of the way so that we can focus on making a ton of money. Thank you.